Hello and welcome to LifeGuide tutorial 2015, April 13th. This tutorial will deal with two functions in LifeGuide which provide for added benefits to the client and serve to enhance service in the best interest of the client, including providing the most value for the dollar. Here we have an example situation of a female. Let's give her a date of birth and let's make it October 10th, 1984. We'll now click on OK. By the way, I should note that all figures being shown at this point on this tutorial are as of this date. The rates change, so the figures are for example purposes only subsequent to this date, but they are current as of this date. To proceed onwards here, by the way, I'm showing this at magnification 1.5. I'll click on OK, and LifeGuide now tells me that since the date of birth here is October 10th, 1984, I can leave things as is, which is the normal way that things are handled by various pieces of software, and of course on nearly all, if not all, internet sites. As we can see, if we leave it as none, the age last will be age 30 and the age nearest will be age 31. Now, nearly all individually sold life insurance policies nowadays are based on age nearest. So if we proceed leaving the backdating at none, the age that will result for this client would be age 31. And obviously, Ms. Dingham here will be paying more for her insurance than she should be. However, if we backdate the policy date by only 4 days to April 9th, 2015, we can start saving her money quite nicely. So let's do that. We'll go short backdating, just 4 days to April 9th. That makes her age last and her age nearest both 30. We'll of course leave her as female. We'll assume that she has not smoked or consumed any tobacco or nicotine products for at least several years, and therefore by and large she would qualify for non-smoker, particularly for standard or regular underwriting, which we're going to use here for the sake of being conservative. And we'll look at a simple plan such as a 10-year term, which is quite basic, quite a basic commodity type of product. And let's say being a 30-year-old, she needs this coverage essentially for her mortgage. I'm just making the scenario as I go here. So we'll go at 200,000. So let's run a quote for her on a 10-year term for 200,000. Being a 30-year-old, we backdated this to April 9th in order to save her age. So we'll click on quote, single life, single insured, and we have our quote here. And various carriers are here all the way down. So if we, let's say, click here on Transamerica, we see that the premium during the initial level 10-year period will be $146, and that would be for 200,000 of Term Select 10 RNC non-smoker. RNC standing for renewable and convertible. Now, if we click on the fourth icon from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth icon from the right, It says toggle face amount optimization. So we'll toggle the optimization on. We see at the bottom right hand side that everything is now optimized. So the premium is $146, remains at $146. However, let's take a look up here. The face amount is $290,924 rather than $200,000. If we toggle the optimization off, we'll see it's the same premium, same plan, same company, same everything for $200,000, or if we toggle the optimization on for $290,000. Take a look at Manulife. Same 147 as would be for 274,000. It's the same 147 for 200,000. Let's take a look further down. Let's take a look at BMO. 200,000 or 271,000. How about Desjardins? 268,000 for the same price as 200,000 if not optimized. So it's a good idea to check the optimization out, particularly if the client is under age 40 and if the face amount is under $1 million. Then, and particularly for females and non-smokers, it is often quite significant in terms of difference when you optimize against not optimizing. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and we have another one coming up.